Hey guys, Glen Murray. Welcome to Warlord Secrets review, demo, and walkthrough. What is Warlord Secrets? It's a very, very cool organic traffic hack, and we've got a software inside that can automate the whole thing for you. First off, let's make sure that you hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up, comment, and then we'll get into the review and the demo and the walkthrough. What we're going to do is we're going to go through the bonus page. I put together a really special bonus package for you guys. If you do decide to pick up this amazing training, because it really blew my mind, because I hadn't even used this this platform for anything except for answering questions. And then we're going to go through the sales page, and then we'll go through the actual back office. I'll show you exactly what's it. There's not much of a back office. It's a training program, guys. So I'll just show you the lessons. There's a ton of lessons in there. There's some great upgrades, but let's first off make sure you hit subscribe, and then let's go over to my bonus page so we can take a look at that. So what is Warlord Secrets? Watch how Will Weatherly, makes $348 a day by tapping into a backdoor traffic site with 330 million buyers, and how you can duplicate his exact results within minutes. Okay, guys, what is it all about? This is using Quora. Now, Quora is an untapped gold mine. It's unbelievable how much money people are siphoning off Quora by simply answering questions. And a lot of times you don't even have to write those answers. You can just outsource it or get those answers, and they show you exactly how to do all this. So first off, the bonuses. Number one bonus is going to be a YouTube ads course. When you start building up your traffic and you want to start making more money, you want it, because when you guys learn this hack, you're going to want to teach it and show people, and probably even make your own program around it. You need to do YouTube ads. So we're going to give you the YouTube ads course. We're going to give you the build your buyers list while profiting. This is a very cool course on how to build a buyers list, because that's the money is always in the list, but make money while you're building it. We're also going to throw in how to make an email capture. Now, people think, oh, well, I know how to make a form. No, you got to make it right. You need to learn how to make it right so that you capture the names, you qualify, you get all the right things. So we're going to give you the proper way to make an email capture. We're also going to give you the high ticket mastery. And this is only going to be for the first 24 hours of the launch. So you want to grab this right away. High ticket mastery, guys, this is where the big money is made. You could sell, $12, $15, $20 programs all day long. You're getting, $8, $10 a pop. You're not going to start making that life-changing money until you can learn how to sell high-ticket items, and that's where you're making $500,000 commissions, and that's where you want to be at. Also, we're throwing in all the special bonuses that the vendor is giving out to everyone, so you're going to be able to get all of those, and you're going to be able to get all this stuff, guys, just for picking up the front end. So let's jump over to the sales page. What is it? This is the sales page here. They haven't got that. This is as I'm making this video, it hasn't been launched yet, so it's going to be coming. That there will be a video there when you see the sales page. Okay, so what is it, dear struggling newbie? Does this sound like you, ordinary person who dreams of becoming a financially free online marketer? There's so many ways to make money online, guys, but what happens is a lot of us get bogged down on not knowing if we're doing the right thing, and then you don't want to go down something where someone else has gone down that rabbit hole and failed. So what you want to do is you want to find successful people and basically copy what they're doing, but not copy the whole realm of people that do kind of half-ass marketing. You want to go find people that are actually making the money and making it happen. So this is a very cool program. Do that. We'll scroll down. You basically, it's a full training course. You learn about who's behind it, some money proof. Now, here's the bonuses. Here's the first set of bonuses. You're going to be getting direct access to the backdoor master. So you're going to be getting a $2,000 method. You're going to see exactly what they're doing themselves. Like, you're going to see exactly what you have access to that. Number two, a free training on how they made 43 grand in 7 days. That's a huge bonus. And again, another high ticket training. Guys, the more high ticket training you get your hands on and watch, and remember, when you're working online, the best thing to do is, try to implement your work time in the time when you're most productive, and then in your downtime, not taking away from your family time, but when you're on your downtime, immerse in the courses. That's the best way to do it. Like, don't spend your working hours immersed in courses, because all you're doing is becoming a student. You're never going to get stuff done. You're just going to keep you're keeping busy by watching courses. You want to do that in your off time. You want to implement what you learned and apply that in your working time. So high ticket training is great, but don't make it a job just to watch those things. Those are a side thing. Unfair advantage in business and life custom training. Instant approval to promote Warlord Secrets. So the minute you guys buy this, you're able to go share this and say, make affiliate commissions, actually pay for it again, pay for itself by being able to promote it right away. So that's what's in there. So what's it look like in the back office? This is going to be it. You're going to have a couple welcome videos from the creators. They've got 43,000 in 7 days. That's a bonus. They're going to show you the case study on how to do that. They've got another case study on how it started, how they went from the beginning, where they weren't getting, they were getting like 20, 30 views on their Quora channel, and boom, up to 1,000, just huge numbers of views on their pages, and how they started and how they monetize that. The main training is all in here: identifying buyer's question, navigating your search, the ninja keyword techniques, content generation, staying safe on Quora so you're not kicked off, monetization, and 3 times your traffic. How to automate. This is this is an upsell, the automations, how to automate your Quora, and then all the upgrades. You've got the pro version, the done for you, unlimited traffic mastery, resale rights. And though that is it, guys, it's going to be video training. Because all the tools are actually in Quora, right? It's just about putting up questions and answers kind of thing. So let me jump back on here. Oh, we're going to go through the OTOs. Let's go through the OTOs so you see those, so you know exactly what you're getting and what you want to be getting, if you choose to pick this up. So the front end is going to be $12.95. That'll be if you try to leave the page, it's going to give you, I think, a 30% discount on this sales page. So that's going to be huge. So it's either going to be a $17 price and you get it for $13, or it's going to be $13 and you get it lower. I'm not sure. I didn't look at the sales point at the front. The pro version is $27 with a $17 downsell. You've got the done for you. Now, I recommend getting it done for you guys. I always do this. Whenever I buy a software, I buy the front end, I buy the unlimited or the pro version, whatever it is, and then I'll buy the done for you, because it just makes it easier. It really gives you that kickstart to get ahead of everybody else. Because when you just get the front end, you just get the basic tools, you're going to have to do a bunch of legwork to get it going. And then if it's working really well, you're going to be limited because you don't have the unlimited version. So you want to definitely get the unlimited version. The done for you, so you're going to steal all of Will's hard work, resources, you don't have to do anything. The upgrade will give you hundreds of resources. Very, very cool. Unlimited traffic. Our sales pages get hit by thousands of buyers every single day. You're going to be able to put your pixel in there, which, again, going back to the YouTube ads bonus that we're throwing in, you're going to be able to actually market to those people. You can market anything, guys. You could use YouTube ads to drive traffic back to your answers, where you've got a monetized funnel going there. Traffic mastery, all-in-one solution, delivers all the traffic anyone could ever need. And then, of course, the resale rights. If you pick up this, you can get 100% of the commissions from selling Warlord Secrets. So some key benefits, guys: 100% beginner friendly, get buyer traffic to any link, all-in-one solution, no website, email list, or funnel needed, but to start with. But you're going to be building that, right? You're going to be building, I didn't go through the entire training. They might have a section where you can just send it off to affiliate links, but we know we want to build a list. But to start with, you don't need it, because you're using Quora is going to be doing all your work for you. No further investments, no learning curve, just copy and paste. So I like that. I like that a lot. All right, let me jump back on here. So my thoughts on Warlord Secrets. To be honest, guys, when I saw the name, I was like, Warlord Secrets? Really? What a weird name. But when I jumped in and I saw the back office and I started watching some of the training, I was like, wow, this is really, really good stuff. This is really what I like about it. It's really in depth. They tell you exactly what they do, how they're doing it, all the traps that they fell into, the mistakes they made, and how they correct them, and how they we're able to do it. So you're going to be able to take all their successes without having to go through all the failures and start driving a ton of traffic. I know Quora has been, even though I don't use it, I know people have been very, very successful. It's going back to really forum marketing, which is what all affiliates basically started at. When before we had all the social media channels, what did we have? We had forums and e-zines kind of thing, and that's where people marketed. And all they were doing is they were just giving information. People were looking for information, and they were providing information. And while they provided the information, they gave them something that they could buy, right? 30 years later, 2021, you're going from 1990, 1995, all the way to 30 years later, it's still the same principle. People are online looking for answers. You provide them an answer, and then you say, and by the way, if you like this answer, there's something that you can buy that's going to make it even easier for you. That's it, guys. That's marketing in a nutshell. So this has been Warlord Secrets review demo tutorial. Warlord Secrets tutorial. Warlord Secrets review demo tutorial. Hopefully it's a mouthful. Make sure that you pick it up. Make sure you hit subscribe, comment, give a thumbs up, and I will see you on the other side. You definitely want to pick up my bonuses, guys. I put that together. It's a super awesome bonus package. Just pick up the front end to get the bonuses, and you will learn something. But if you do want to really get that traffic going, Warlord Secrets definitely has it delivers the goods, so to speak. All right, guys. See you on the next one. Cheers.